So, all right. Someone had asked me for a video of the how to build it. Oh, well, how to assemble it. So the inserts goes in the beams. There's two for this one because there's two bolts, right? For the lock, you have to install the small sleeve. This lock is all you need to do is slide it through the post. I don't know how to say it. It's that's a rubber band, like for hair or to make bracelets. So there's two insert that goes in the post on the side and two on top. For the pulley, you take the pin, the pulley pin, you pass it through the pulleys, and then you can use a FDM filament and pass it through the hole, lock it in place. For the lever assembly, all you have to do, the rollers here are just pushed in. It's just, everything is tight. So at the beginning it's gonna be super tight. Now it loosened a little because it's been sitting there for a while, but for a week. For the lever installation with the pins, all you have to do, take a pliers. I don't know. Just trying to get this one out. All right, so I pull it out. Now I can rotate. So you have to install the middle one first. After that, you can slide it inside, by rotating it, and then push the pin in. Mine is a bit more loose, but it's good. You need to support the pins. Yeah, that was a. So that's the prototype. That's not the one exact. It's the same thing as the one I posted online on Printables, but it's not exactly the same. But everything is built, the same. It's the same thing. So for the beam, that was my first design. I used TPU. You can either use TPU. TPU is a bit more tough. But you can also use PLA or even PETG. For PETG, it's more flexible. And I've posted a photo of how you can fix the piece with a piece of filament to the pull bar, the bar that will pull the threads. I will put a link for an example how you can install the threads. It's the one that I used for my project. Those, I made the mistake to show you, but it's not supposed both shafts are not supposed to be lined up like that. It needs to be staggered. When you look at the blocks, the little blocks here, you're not supposed to go to see through, because each row of threads need to go up separately. All right. So if that happens, all you have to do is take this out, turn it, reinstall it, and that's it. That's pretty much it. If you have any question, ask away, and I will find a way to help you, or to give you better instruction with another video. I don't know. So thank you. Oh yeah, there's this part. Yeah, I cut it with the slicer. Directly in the slicers, there's a cut, a way to cut pieces to make these. I use a dovetail, and all you have to do after you cut the pieces, I might join the cut that I've done if I can, but that's pretty much it. You cut it this way. I've added the photo on my printables, and that's it. You just slide it in, and it stays there. You can glue it. I did not. I made 2 cuts that goes inside. So when I bolt this piece, it kind of locks it in place. Well, this part can't get out because of the cut. I don't know. That hole doesn't exist anymore. And I made it with a slut so you can rest the pusher thing. And all you have to do is lift it and knock. Make sure that when you knock, you don't have to knock it super hard, because it's gonna make the fabric super rigid. And that's it. If you have any other questions, ask away. Thank you.